Have you ever wondered what makes ambrosia salad a delightful treat? Today we're breaking down this classic dish filled with fruity flavors and fluffy marshmallows. Ambrosia salad is a versatile dish that can be served as a dessert or side. It's made with a variety of ingredients like fruits and marshmallows, creating a sweet and refreshing blend. The core components include mini marshmallows, coconut, canned pineapple, mandarin oranges, and sour cream. This combination gives the salad a creamy texture with a burst of tropical flavors. Nutritionally, one serving can range from about 156 to 393 calories. The calorie count varies based on the amount of marshmallows and other ingredients used. This dessert is perfect for summer picnics, offering a light yet satisfying treat. The creamy sour cream base holds the fruits together nicely, making it easy to serve. Ambrosia salad can be made in under an hour and is a crowd pleaser. It's especially popular during festive occasions, providing a sweet reminder of warm weather flavors. So there you have it, ambrosia salad is not just about marshmallows but also a delightful mix of fruits and creamy elements that make it a refreshing and satisfying treat. What's your favorite variation of ambrosia salad? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.